I'm Nick and welcome to my shop. The one thing about woodworking is we all want to get better. The way to do that is practice. So in this video series, that's exactly what I'm going to do. For the next 7 days, I'm going to be turning in the shop, doing a small project, big project, whatever I have time for. So let's get started. Today I have a lot of time in the shop, so I think I'm going to turn something big. Let's do a platter. Today I'm going to be turning a platter out of this ash blank. I got this back in 2019, so it's been a few years perfectly dry from sitting in my shop this long. So let's turn it. The unfortunate thing is right now in our area, we're being ravished by what's called the emerald ash borer. And it gets in between the bark of the tree and the actual hardwood of the tree. And it just eats away and thrives. And unfortunately that kills the tree. So we have a lot of ash that's coming down right now due to that bug. And this piece of ash actually came from a tree that was killed by the emerald ash borer. So it's sad to see a tree come down due to an infestation, but also it's going to get another life as a platter. Let's get this thing mounted. Ooh, always check your belts. That's what I just did not do. This is looking pretty good. It's turned down to the final shape. It still needs sanded. I love how the bug holes left kind of like black around it. So this platter is a little bit on the thicker side, and that's because it's going to be used. So if it gets dropped or something, it doesn't have any risk of being broken. So really happy with that. It's also being ash. You want to pick it up and have a little heft to it. So let's get this sanded. For my finish, I'm just using the same thing I use every time, that food safe walnut oil. Wow, that turned out nice. Today was a good day in the shop. I love how this platter came out. The bug holes in it are just super interesting to look at, and the grain on this platter is really cool. Anyway, that's about it for today. I look forward to seeing you guys in the shop tomorrow.